Crude oil pipelines traverse the length and breadth of the mostly rural communities of Okrika and Eleme in Rivers State. Home to the nation's oldest refinery, the Port Harcourt refinery. Having played host since 1965, many youths of these communities believe they deserve more from the company. And promoting peaceful community relationship, taking jobless youths off the streets and protecting the nation's oil installations form the basis of this meeting of leaders of the host communities and representatives of the company.
For this honor that has been done to you.
Outside, some community leaders say while it is commendable for companies to continue to train youths of host communities in skills acquisition and empowerment, that may not end youth restiveness and pipeline vandalism.
We have community security and the federal security, which is the military, looking after the pipeline, mostly on the jetty. Then the same security claim to be patrolling the pipelines that are across the road. But you and me knows pipeline cannot be vandalized without connivance of the security agents looking after those things. They connive with them because they make huge money.
The managing director of the Port Harcourt Refining Company says peaceful coexistence is the only way to go.
What we are doing, even though we are doing piecemeal, over time it will cover a number of people. Certainly at a go you cannot attend to everybody. But we plead with the host communities to maintain peace, because that's the only way that we can have development. That's the only way to progress.
While some say the relative peace in the Niger Delta and the less attacks on crude oil pipelines at this time should not be taken for granted, oil companies are enjoined to do more for their host communities. Emmanuel Iri, Channels Television News.